for France 24. He joins us from the Élysée Palace. Delano, hello, thank you for being with us. Let's start on that new relationship the men are going to be building during this visit. They've had very little contact up until now.
That's right, Nadia. We did see a very warm handshake earlier as Prime Minister Modi arrived here at the Élysée Palace. No sort of bear hugs that we did see when the US President, for instance, was in India at the end of January. And that's, as you said, because the two leaders do not know each other a whole lot. They did meet on the sidelines of the G20 summit in Brisbane towards the end of last year, but they haven't really gotten a chance to get to know each other. This is the first bilateral meeting between France and India since 2013. Now, later on in the evening, the two leaders will be going on a boat ride down the Seine. And I think this is when they will really get to break the ice and sort of get to know each other. And that's when we're also expecting a lot of deals that are not on the table will get made.
Now, as you mentioned there, we need to get down to business. What are the key issues that will be on the agenda during today's talks?
A multitude of issues will be announced. We're expecting many announcements on renewable energy, space cooperation, transportation, as well as France helping India create a smart city, which is basically using technology to sort of improve public services in a city, like transportation, waste management, etc. But the question on everyone's mind is, will we see a breakthrough in that Rafale deal, which was announced 3 years ago? Now, since then, there's been a lot of wrangling between the French and the Indian sides, between literally the nuts and bolts of the plane. Who will be responsible for what? Now, the initial plan was to have 126 planes sold to India, 118 of which would be manufactured in India. Now we are hearing that could change potentially. We're hearing that there's potentially there would be a direct sale for 63 planes for about $7.2 billion. It would be a direct sale, which means those planes would be manufactured here in France, and there would not be a direct transfer, but we still don't know the details yet.
Delano D'Souza reporting there from the Élysée Palace. Thank you very much for that.